Hello, everybody. Stream time. Biddy will be here soon. He's finishing up some stuff. I am just gonna go ahead and get started. Got my Dr. Pepper. That's really all I need. So today I think we're going to be working on more trailer stuff. Because we need to get a trailer done because on Wednesday is the deadline for an event that we want to try to get into. So we need to submit a trailer and some other stuff by then. So I should have a list somewhere in here of stuff I wanted to do for the trailer. Or before the trailer. I think the main thing is making more levels, because right now there's only a couple levels that are in the other areas. So right now we have like the red area and the blue area I have levels for, or rooms for. But I don't think, I have like one for the green area and none for like the library. I need to make names for them rather than just calling them like red area and green area. But whatever. So we'll have those. And then maybe some more enemies. We might try to have like some enemy variations, but I'm not sure how far we'll get into that. If you look here, I think I set up the level for the green. Select level, poison, yeah. So this is the only room that I have currently, but it does work. And then we have rain area, which does actually work. You can go through. I think it only has this one room still, though. Oh, and we also want to try to update the playtest today, because it desperately needs to be updated. And it's pretty much ready, there's just a few little things we need to change. But we got these nice indicators now, so you can actually see where enemies are attacking, which is very nice. Okay. So, there's... What do you do? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Levels. Oh, yes, the other thing was these crystals I wanted to add. I need to test those some more. I don't know exactly how to balance them. We'll figure that one out. I'm going to go ahead and make some new levels. Where are you? In here somewhere. Data? Level rooms, that's what I want. Poison. Yeah, I'll just copy you. Okay, so we need to make, I think this will be the starting room. This one? Yeah. Make this our starting room. Which I think we'll make it similar to the other ones. I don't know exactly how I want to do the starting rooms, but that doesn't matter. A whole lot. Actually, I don't even think I need to make it different. Because with the trailer, you probably won't have the starting rooms in the trailer, so they don't have to look nice. Just make them work. Okay. I mean, now that I think about it, I really only need like one of each room type for the trailer. Because the trailer is probably only going to be like less than a minute. Because we don't have that much content to show off. And we don't want to like show off more content. Or try to make it look like we have more content than we actually have. So it's better to just make a short trailer that has a little bit of stuff than a long trailer that's just a bunch of the same stuff. Let's see. What am I doing? I'm just staring at this tile map. That's what we want. Nope, that's not the layer we wanted. Kill the static stuff. The annoying thing with this green levels, we have this overlay kind of thing, which I don't actually have any way to auto tile it, so currently it's just manually doing that, which is very difficult. It's not like a pain, it's just a little bit inconvenient to do. I'm thinking, what would it look like if we... Oh, so we only have the... Do I have the texture for the poison? Are you floor 2? So we do have the full. I'm not gonna bother with that right now. Okay, so I think generally with the rooms, I keep making them too small. I need to figure out how to make them like larger without messing up things. But they definitely need to be larger on average. I have no idea what shape I even want this to be. I should probably draw the actual terrain first and then put the doors in it, you know? What do we want this to be? I should really do some more research into like how to actually design levels and not just like place random blocks everywhere. I mean, I feel like that's like 90% of it, but there's got to be something that I could like actually learn. I don't want... no. This is too tall. Oh. Hello?
Wow.
Sorry,
Hello?
I didn't have,
Yeah.
I'm on streamer mode, so I don't get the notifications.
Your Discord is also fucked up because it's not showing that you're live as your status.
Oh, I don't think it ever does. Does it always do that?
It should.
It should.
Yeah. What? Yes.
Did I maybe what?
Alright, I'm going live.
It shows that for me. I don't know why it doesn't for you.
Your profile. Yeah, no, I'm looking at your profile. I don't see you live. I'm gonna start streaming really quickly, and we'll see if mine updates. It should. Do you have your Twitch connected to your Discord?
I think so. I mean, has it shown it before?
I think so. Yeah. I'm like fairly certain.
Actually, oh, I can't see it because I'm streamer mode.
Also join the stream together.
I mean, I don't care, but.
Yeah.
Twitch.
Yeah, like you can. Do you see mine? Does mine show that I'm live on the?
Yeah, I see like the little purple dot.
Yeah.
But I see that on mine
Yours doesn't
too.
for me. Yeah, no, yours is not showing that for me.
Okay, maybe I accidentally changed something. I'll double check.
Yeah. Able to join this. Join the.
I'm
Yeah.
joining.
I'll just show your screen twin.
Okay.
Alright, what you working on today? I got a couple things that I
I
want
was
to work on. I got
doing
mine.
some more level design for the trailer, so that way we have at least a couple rooms of the other levels.
Yeah.
So that way it'll be easier for the trailer.
Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I have a couple things that I
Do
wanna
you
work
see the
on
list that I
today.
pushed up of the little things for you to change before the playtest update? It's only like
I didn't realize you pushed
2 or
things
3
up for me.
things. Yeah, it's like a singular note I pushed up.
Yeah, let me go grab that really quickly and see if I got shit to pull. I might. We'll find out. Or see if I got shit to merge, I mean.
Shouldn't be, given that I only changed one file, but
I have 8 commits to pull. Uh-oh.
oh.
Because I opened up the wrong folder. This is the old project that before I did all of the upgrades and fixes because of Windows. The new folder for me is called Dante's 9 Windows, which makes it very explicitly clear that things were broken because of Windows. Do you still have a link to that font pack that we were looking at? Oh, never mind, I found it.
Okay, cool.
How much is this? It's fucking $100. It's probably worth it. It's almost
Which
certainly
one?
worth it just for other projects as well. The 175 mega pack.
I thought that was the one that wasn't available.
No, the 71 is, or the 31. One of the ones that was like $30 isn't
okay.
available, but the 175 is available for $100.
Okay, that's not terrible.
Oh, cool. I actually don't have to merge anything. Very nice. All right, where's the... What's the list then? Is it in the JW?
Yeah, it's in
December
your
16th,
to-do.
January 6th?
It's in your to-do.
It's in my to-do. I have it.
Yeah, the one that the big one with the giant letters that say to-do on it.
Oh, it's in my to-do.
Yeah.
This is just a to-do.
Yeah, I think there's
where
big
did
to-do
you? Oh,
lists,
big to-do
yeah.
list. No.
Well, it didn't
No.
show up there for some reason. I did change that file.
Let's just reopen Obsidian.
Yeah, maybe do
Try
that.
that one. Oh, you know what? You know what's happening?
Mm-hmm.
I bet I know what's happening. It's pointing to the old vault
Yeah, that's funny.
because I'm stupid.
Many such cases.
Have you played any more Mugenics?
Yeah, a little bit. I
Game
did
is
discover
fucking fire.
that enemies that you turn into stones do indeed count as pet rocks if you have the like pet rock passive.
Really?
Yes. I think it just
So they join your
depends on
side.
the turn order. So if they like get out of the rock before the like pet rock turn happens or something like that. I don't remember. At least it looked like that was happening. There's so many things in that game that I just like don't understand what's going on. It's just like, oh, okay, this thing took damage. I don't know why.
Re-add knockback to ground enemies and make ground enemies drop through platforms.
Yeah.
Okay, dude. All right, is that what I'm doing today? I'm making enemies work.
Yeah, that shouldn't be hard at all.
It shouldn't be. Yeah. That's great. I don't I don't think you fully comprehend the. I mean, like, I can make them
Programmers,
just like
man.
straight up drop through the platform if the player's below them, but like, ideally, I'd want them to use some sort of like, what is the fucking word? I would like it to use the pathfinding if possible, but I guess I can't do that.
And yeah, they don't take knockback.
They don't take knockback.
Which that shouldn't
yeah, I
be
think that's because the player doesn't. Does the player take knockback?
Yeah.
Really?
I mean, I think it might be like a different knockback calculation.
One player hits, supply impulse. That, what was it using before? It was called like ground, was it ground movement driver or was it ground movement component? Let's find out. Probably
No
movement
clue.
driver, that sounds like a more... Okay, apply knockback was this, which is just a base movement driver function. Add knockback force. Okay, I see. Hit knockback.
Oh, I also want to add the crystals to all the rooms and mess around with those just to see how they feel.
Okay. Wait, no. No, not here. Knockback. Not knockback. What am I doing? Movement writer. Console diagram self KB. Knockback. Let's see. So if I spawn in a ground enemy fire, what has a lot of knockback? Is it the op?
Literally any gun you'll be able to tell.
Okay. Hopefully this doesn't. What? The player does
Let
take
me
knockback?
Grab your chat.
Yeah, he does. I wonder if it's because he still has that ground enemy fire.
Did you send out a stream announcement, by the way?
No. Do you want me to?
I don't know, I don't care, but like, you should.
Okay, I'll send out a stream announcement, I guess. Whatever. No one wants to watch my streams anyways, so, you know, why would I care about sending out a stream announcement? Meow meow :3. Can we do like :cat? Do I have a good cat to pull up? This is a good cat.
Is this stream for game devs or is it public? It's for anybody. You can. You're not like illegal if you're not a game dev.
You're not illegal if you're a game dev. That's kind of a dog whistle, I won't lie, from you, JW.
What?
Nothing, don't worry about it. I'm making a joke.
Yeah. But yeah, welcome to Just Hang Out. We just work on the game.
Yeah.
We're kind of
So hello,
boring,
fellow
but
Needle.
besides
How you
that,
doing? We're kind of boring? No, I don't use the word boring to describe yourself. Use the word chill or
Chill.
relaxing.
Yeah, relaxing.
We're chill. We're so chill coded, dude. We're so... I was gonna say
This place.
the stream has vibes, but
No, it
and-
doesn't.
in the AI age, that means something different. Much worse. Much more evil. Does this motherfucker not have knockback? Like, where's knockback multiplier? Times 10. Oh. Huh. Yeah, you just aren't
Yeah, that's what I...
knocking back. That's weird. I don't know why. The player gets knocked back.
What's up so far in the
Um,
playtest is very fun, by the way. Cardless is exactly as hard as I expected. Yeah. It's almost like the cards are like the main mechanic of the game.
I don't think so. That doesn't sound right to me.
That doesn't sound right. Yeah, you're right. But I did actually buff the basic attack a little bit. We'll be pushing up updates soon. But I kind of buffed like everything in the game. Because it was a little bit difficult. It wasn't like too hard. It's just for like a first level, it's a little too hard.
Yeah. I definitely will be taking some inspiration from the new classic roguelike that has come out. The new absolute instant classic perfect game known as
Dante's 9?
Eugenics.
Oh.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Why in the fucking world are you not taking any knockback? Your impulse deceleration is like hella low. What's your problem, dude? And how do I stop it? How do I fix you?
It's not happening. Oh, actually, before I forget, when do PAX early price tickets end? So we need to get that.
Oh yeah.
So the badge mailing deadline ends today.
Okay, I don't particularly care about badge mailing personally. I mean, maybe I should, but don't.
You should. February 20th is early bird pricing ends.
Ooh.
So I might just go ahead and get a ticket today.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
I see one of the things that's happening. That's okay. I can just call the apply knockback function in here, and surely this will just work. TM.
Mm-hmm.
Surely this will just work.
How high can the ground guys jump again? Is it 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Yes? Hold on.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. They can jump at over 4 blocks, so they get onto the 5th one. So if they're on ground level and there's a wall 4 tall, they can jump onto it.
Okay.
Sorry, I just wanted to make
yeah,
that the most clear that it possibly could be.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there we go. So they are taking knockback now. I just have to make that not an obscene value. Okay, no, he's not. Well, he is probably. It's just like very little. Are you still taking knockback? You are kind of. We don't have anything that reduces the player's damage, do we?
No.
We should. That would be really nice for testing. At least. I mean, it's also something that would be kind of cool for, like, as just an idea of, like, sacrifice damage for next thing. But it would also just be nice to be like, fuck it, dude, this does way less. Ooh, I see. You are... Oh, because you're still doing the 10 times knockback. You're... Also, do we want to support cardless builds? Is that something that we want to...
I mean, maybe.
No, not at all.
I don't know.
That's crazy.
Is it
like, just like frame one.
Literally the game, like, that's like saying... I don't know, I was about to say... playing Slay the Spire without cards, and then I remember that I just watched a video about a guy who found a theoretical way that you could beat Slay the Spire without playing a single card.
Well...
Theoretical.
So what I'm hearing is we should at least make it possible.
Yeah.
And I guess it is possible right now, actually.
It's totally possible.
Like,
I mean, it's 100% more possible than like Slay the Spire, where like you literally can't deal damage. I mean, you can deal damage, but it's extremely difficult to deal damage without cards. Whereas here, you can just deal damage. It's just very slow.
I guess that's also one thing that's really interesting for our game is the basic attack does get buffed by things that just buff your overall damage, and I don't know how I feel about that. like the way that this buffs the like if you have something that increases your attack speed, you can
I think that's
basic attack faster. Okay, these guys should take knockback now, which is nice. Cool. Okay. Make them drop through platforms, I guess.
Yeah.
Time to do that.
I feel like there's another thing that we need for the playtest, but I don't remember. I can check.
I want to have the shop in the
Oh,
playtest.
okay. Sure, if you want to get that working, then.
Yeah, I will. I shall. Let me think about this. I need to remember how I'm doing this tile map creation.
Uh-oh.
Happy Sunday, average Godot enjoyer.
This guy doesn't like this. Hello, average Godot enjoyer. Happy Sunday.
This guy doesn't like what?
Yeah, Biddy, this also happens sometimes, and I don't know what causes it.
Hold on, let me pull up your stream. Where the fuck did my Discord go? Oh, I didn't pop it out, I guess. Weird. Tried to popping it out, and well.
He's dancing, yeah.
Alright, what's up? Let me look. Yeah. I think the reason that happens, and you can actually verify this if you shift R, display, debug draw, and then turn on tile and enemy navigation. Oh. What the fuck? So it's because it's not connecting the red node to the red node? That's weird. It's connecting the yellow node to the red node. Okay. I'll need to fix that. Don't worry about what's happening there. That's a...
Okay.
I'm only updating
Oh, and
the
now
draw
he can
whenever
get
it's
up there.
relevant.
Okay.
Yeah, he can get up there. It's just that there's I made an error with the
Yeah, he also doesn't
the A-star connection
seem to want to go
algorithm.
down to get me here either.
Yes. I don't know why that isn't connecting.
Yeah, isn't it supposed to just connect like,
yeah, the
straight
blue node
down?
should connect all the way down. It's not, which is a problem. Could you do me a favor, actually?
Yep.
Can you look at that level in the editor and show me what it looks like so I can just like very quickly copy this down and use it as a test? I wish there was a way that you could like highlight all of the tiles and then send me like a Discord message that I could copy and just like paste into my Godot. That would be really cool.
I think this also happened on there was a room like in the regular levels that would happen.
I'm sure there is. I'm just gonna copy over a rain room, whatever.
Okay. I love the rain area so much.
Rain 2. What's the... Oh god, it's really hard to see what that is. Let me just clear out a huge fucking area. Tile map. Look at it. Oh, thank you. Just like an absolutely massive area. All right, what are we looking at? So there's like this square thing. Can you zoom in just a little bit so I can see the size of the gaps? How tall is the middle area up to the first like ledge?
1, 2, 3. It's 4. And then there's a 1 block gap between.
Okay. So like that. Sure. Okay, and then same thing on the other side. And then how tall is the gap up there? Is it 3?
I think it's 3. Yeah, it's 3. Learned how to dodge an imp every time if they're called imps. Yeah, we could call them imps. They don't have a name.
They're called imps right now because they were called ground enemy fire, and they still are in the code.
Yes.
Of course they are.
But we have changed a lot of the enemies, so they should be easier to dodge as well with the new update.
Yeah.
When
It's less that it should be easier to dodge, they should be less confusing to dodge.
Yeah.
And maybe a little
that doesn't look right. That's 2 blocks. The top one is 2 blocks, not 3.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, well, because you told me.
No, I said 3. You literally said 3 yourself.
Yes, but I thought you meant 3 from like 1, 2, 3 and then up, but you meant
what?
Like
no.
this kind of 3.
In what world would that make sense?
That's
yes,
correct.
that's correct.
I don't know your world,
I'm
dude.
just confused. Like,
yeah, your world,
if
man.
you're measuring the
Nasitos
height
asked you
of
last night when we were playing Deadlock. When we were playing Deadlock, Nasitos went, "Do you have your stun line?" And you said yes. but you didn't. You had leveled it, but you didn't have the ability available.
But like, if you're measuring the height of something, why are you measuring from like one block down, like, and not from the flat
I'm measuring
ground?
from the same level of the tile.
You would measure from like the.
It's like,
because it's a 3
yeah,
block
it's like
jump.
how far is this platform to this platform?
Nah.
You go, well, the ground is here, so it's over 1, it's up 4,
Nah.
and then over, like, okay, dude, whatever. See, because like you would go, okay, well, I would put the ruler here, and then I put the ruler here.
No, you put the ruler
You
on
could,
the top of the.
You could do that, sure.
You don't. If
I
you're measuring the height of something, you don't put the ruler like 3 feet into your floor and then measure.
Yeah,
from there.
in the real world, sure. But we're talking about tiles on a grid.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not talking about the bottom of this tile. I'm talking about this tile to this tile.
All right, whatever.
Anyways, whatever,
Anyways,
dude. It's fine.
it's
This
fine.
looks like this is correct. So let's find out if this has the same issues. I'm sure it will. The tile map navigation's a little funky wonky. It'd be cool if this just worked on my side. Where did you put him? He was just up here somewhere.
He was like left side, yeah.
Okay, yeah, so that still does that. And then he does drop down here, which is really cool. Can you do me a favor? Can you actually go to the navigation region and unhide it?
Oh, I probably forgot to rebake it. That's probably why.
Can you zoom out? Where's the rectangle for it?
I don't know. Oh, because I'm not clicked on it.
Okay. There we go. Okay, yes. It will just need to be larger. I believe that solves the ground issue.
Yeah.
If you want to give that another try. Nintendo lawyers are knocking on my door. Okay, they can. I don't make money from this stream. So eat that, Nintendo. Please don't eat that, Nintendo, please. I don't have the money to afford a legal battle with Nintendo. I don't think anybody does, ever.
Okay, yeah, they do drop down.
Yeah. Yeah. They won't jump up, which makes sense. Also, that platform on the right is off by 1
Yeah, I know.
tile.
No, he can't make this
Oh,
jump.
Yeah,
Oh, he can sometimes.
He can, kind of. Yeah, he's a little funky.
Oh, he can make that jump. That's a crazy jump.
Which one?
Oop, he's running off. Oh, he going up. You can make this jump too.
I'm not literally Vaporeon. I am a legally distinct aquatic feline-ish, fish-ish thing with a frog onesie. Well, I'm not. My channel mascot is. To make the channel more appealing for an audience.
This guy is stuck down here now too. If I go up here, he gets stuck.
Yeah, because it's not connected in a way that it can see. Because I fucked something up somewhere.
Yeah.
Many such cases.
Oh, what's that's different? For the ground enemies at least, I can show you.
Is this different from the current playtest? Does the current playtest have the small attack for the ground
No,
enemies?
it doesn't. Dude, I'm pretty sure it solves
Okay.
Steel Blood.
Oh, the player can't make this jump. What?
But then they'll flash
fucked up
before they
then.
attack, and their attack is a lot smaller, so it's easier to dodge.
Okay, yeah, so this was also off by... Oopsies. I funked it up. Can't take aim. Also, the playtest doesn't currently have the new flying guy behavior, does it?
The new flying guy? Oh, yeah,
Where
like
they,
the little guys. Yeah,
They dash into the wall
No, it does
and
not.
take damage. Oh, no, I thought it did.
No, it doesn't.
No.
The last update was like probably over a month ago.
No.
It-
Oh, no, I'm thinking about the build that you took to your local game.
that's
dev
what I'm
meetup.
saying is we need to
Yeah,
push
yeah,
that
yeah,
up
yeah.
so that way people can play it.
Yeah,
Because there's so much cool stuff
Fuck,
in
I
there.
forgot that was...
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was the one that was pushed up on Steam. I don't remember.
Well, it's on the testing branch, but it never got pushed
So-
up, yeah.
That's so funky. this one connects, but this one doesn't. Is it
Carlos
'cause I'm
gonna go
drawing a
be so
line
free now.
still?
Just killed so many runs. Yeah, it should be a lot easier to kill them at least. I'm trying to think. I think I did buff some of the other enemies a little bit. I don't know. I don't remember. I think I increased some health. Or I balanced some health. Some of them are higher, some of them are lower.
Oh my god, I'm switching from Linux to Windows and Windows to Linux is so funky sometimes because I'm middle clicking to do something and I'm like, fuck, I have to erase that text I just paste because on Linux it pastes text.
Why? That's evil.
It's like an old thing that's held over from like a gajillion years ago.
Kind of gross. Thorns that go into the
Okay, so
wall are
that
annoying too, but
fixes
not as bad.
that.
Wait till I tell you that they're like so much better now.
That's true. They're way better.
They are way better.
Yeah, I do want to improve some of his capabilities because I noticed that. Does he jump here or does he go down first? Oh my god, look at that path that he chose. That's gross.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would like to make him a little bit smarter to know that he can jump. But yeah, no, this works.
Okay. As long as it works.
It was because of a line
yeah.
drawing thing I was doing.
I see.
But I don't think it should matter.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I focus
Yeah.
on maybe some of the more important things, so then we can make him nicer
Yeah.
later.
Yeah, I want to put the I need to do the drop through platform stuff now, and I
Okay.
will probably just end up. Oh, this is an auto terrain, isn't it? Ah, nice.
Yes.
I see. Huge news for the
I actually need
unemployed.
to add that one to the.
He does drop through that one. That's funny.
Oh.
It's don't worry, he's not actually. Well, worry. If I regenerate the level, he won't because he sees that as a floor,
Ah, I see.
which it is, but only like kind of. Oh, nice. I don't know why that didn't. Oh, because I wasn't auto tiling whenever I placed that one down.
Yeah, and sometimes the
So
auto
now
tile
he
can be a
will
little
be
funky
forever
because
stuck up
it's just the 3 tiles instead of like a full.
Yeah.
So sometimes it can be a little weird, but usually it's fine. Like
Let him go.
90% of the time
He's
it's
stuck up
fine.
there in his prison. Okay, so who is in charge of that? I don't remember if it's the tile navigation or the enemy navigation, and it may end up being both. So let's add a debug. Okay, debug 1 does rerun this. Nice. And for tile navigation agents, I have to regenerate. Oh, you actually, never mind. You. On navigation updated. Okay, yeah, I guess I can just add a if input section just press debug 2. Wasn't there a crash that you were talking about with enemy indicators?
Oh yeah, I think if you kill the guy while he has the enemy indicator on, it crashes. I didn't test it a whole lot.
Okay.
It's gonna be 9 levels and a big boss. It's going to be, so there's gonna be 3 bosses per run. So it'll be like 3 little mini levels and then a big boss. So after each like 3 levels, there'll be a boss. If that makes sense. And the 3 levels will be like relatively short, maybe a little bit shorter than what the playtest is right now. So it's like there's 3 kind of major levels that are split into 3 smaller areas. At least that's the idea. We don't quite have everything yet, but you know.
Let's see. So do these know about... Look, I remember I did something with the terrains, I think. Or the tile set. That may be nice to use. Oh, this one doesn't have that. That's slightly annoying. Can get the data. Print data. What are you? You're gonna fill my screen with so much shit. Yeah. Are you even using that? Oh, you are using that. See, there's no data on this. If there's a corner. God, I love Flute Salad. What a good song.
True.
Absolutely beautiful song. Local map is the actual like in-world position, right? Yeah. God, these functions are so badly named. I should overwrite them like a better name, but whatever. Global mouse position. Excuse me. Okay, that looks correct. So let's do style app to get cell data at this thing. Okay, tile data. What does tile data consist of? You have what? Material modulate probability range set, transpose. You do have also custom data. Is there anything about? Oh shit! Wait. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually so nice. I can check if something is a one-way platform without, so I don't even need to have like custom data or anything. Great. Is it a polygon that's one way? What is the an ID for drop through platforms? Is it? I want to say 9. That might be wrong.
8, 6.
Do you remember?
7. I don't know.
No, bad.
Sorry, my bad.
Oh wait, I can do this on. I can do this on Windows. I haven't set up my sounds on.
What?
On Linux yet.
You're evil twin.
Round drop through is 5.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah, and then you said 6, 7. So
yeah,
happens, I guess.
Happens to the best.
Okay, so this is not one way. This is one. Buddy, I thought that you would be a thing, but I guess not. I don't know why. But do you not have a polygon? I don't understand. Does this thing not have a fucking polygon? Or am I stupid? Which is it? Polygon? No polygon? Oh, is it? Okay, this is not the world physics. It's the tile map physics,
Oh,
which is different.
it's awkward.
Apparently not different enough. What the fuck? Oh, because it still needs to be... Nope, still not different enough. What?
What?
Is it because the player's above it? Please tell me the answer is no. Okay, thank fuck. Oh, sorry, zero-based indexing. Duh. I don't know why I thought that would... I was still in fucking physics layers mode. Okay, so I can see that this is a drop-through platform. Nice. Which means what exactly?
Got to leave by. Alright, see ya. Have a great day.
Good luck, good luck. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for asking questions about the game. I actually really enjoy the amount of people that just like stop by just to ask like random ask questions about the design of the game and like what we want to do with it.
Yeah.
It's like genuinely, I don't know, it's cool.
True.
People care about the game, and that's weird. They should stop. Oh,
Yeah.
the rain stopped. Very cool. No, it's back. I think the loop point got wiped at some point. Ground point. I want you to... What exactly? What exactly do I want this to do? Populated is this. So I think mayhaps I could do... If not down data or down data dot is collision polygon one way. Layer 1 polygon 0? What is that gonna do exactly? Oh shit. Bad things is the answer. Oh shit. Hella errors.
What?
Cool. What? Shit. What? Huh? P polygon index 0 is out of bounds. That's great, dude. Count? Yeah. Layer 1. Greater than 0. Okay, so this does something weird. Terrific.
What the wait? Oh.
shit. Why? Huh? Oh, I need to make a function. Is ground tile that returns open. Takes in data, tile data. So if there's no data, then that's false. Otherwise,
Oh, why did you crash? But
you have no card.
yeah, but like I don't know why it's suddenly giving me this error. It was working
What are
fine
you
earlier.
doing specifically?
I'm running the game.
You're running the game.
Yeah. And it's giving me this error.
Run the game again?
I was running this. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I'm a moron. I might be the dumbest person on the planet.
Oh, are you running? You're running the scene specifically off equipment.
Because I was trying to run poison to test the level.
Yeah, usually what I do for if I'm testing like a specific thing, which I'm not doing right now, is I'll usually set that as the main scene so I don't accidentally do that.
Yeah.
Let's see if this has any polygon counts on layer 0, then that should count as ground, right? Yeah, return true. Otherwise, return false, I guess. We'll see what that does.
Oh wait, that's why. That's probably what. When are we having the Dante 9 Meow contest?
We can have it now since Egg McMuffin proved that it was a good thing.
Yeah, I'd say we like wait long enough so that way people forget that it was like a thing. So that way they're not like, it's still an idea.
I see. But we can always like pull up the VOD where we talked about it way before that happened.
Wait.
And we just didn't like capitalize on it because we were like scared. And then Egg McMuffin was like, yo dog.
Yeah, he watched our VOD and was like, wait, that's a good idea.
Calling him Egg McMuffin is really fun.
Yeah, I can tell. I would agree though. Egg McMuffin is a pretty good name.
His ground is equal to
okay, that works now. I had the you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. I got you, dog. Don't even worry about it, twin. That makes so much sense. That's actually so true.
When are you gonna write the script that automatically applies the goop overlay to the tiles for me?
When are you gonna?
Just kidding. I honestly have no clue how you do that.
Stop using AI for the art.
That I'm not. Don't say that. It's funny, but people are gonna think.
What do you mean, dude?
I hate this place.
I don't understand. Okay, this did something. That's not exactly correct. Okay, well, it connected it one way, which is sick. That's way better than before, because before it wasn't connecting it at all.
That's sick, twin.
Yeah, that's sick, twinity.
Up on Counter-Strike. You want to play
Deadlock
Deadlock instead of working on Dante's 9?
Nope.
What?
Actually, nope.
Fake Deadlock fan.
Yeah, if I was gonna play any game right now, it would obviously be Eugenics.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah. Let me see. What do I get out of doing this? So if this point isn't already set, and there is no tile to the left, and there is no tile on the left corner, then it counts as
Actually,
an
now that I'm
aerial.
thinking
What
about
the
it, you
fuck?
managed to write that insane pathfinding thing. You could definitely figure out how to make the goop auto tile properly.
I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do. Nope. I actually stole all of the code from. Fuck, I can't think of anybody that would. I stole it from Quebble.
Yeah.
Yeah. I stole it from
Sure.
Quebble.
Yeah.
Go check out the YouTube channel Quebble.
Quebble. You mean Cubble?
What's a Cubble? I know of a Quebble.
Yeah, me too. Twin.
The young Quebble. Right pause and a right corner pause.
I think he's streaming right now, or he was streaming.
What type of troll is
He's still
that?
streaming.
Oh, were you talking about the the saying that JW uses AI for the art? It's like it's funny because we both hate AI, and anyone who knows us knows that that would be like an insult to what we like doing about making games. Oh shit, that doesn't exactly work. That almost works. The problem with this is he doesn't know that he can walk across that platform. That's a big issue.
That's awkward.
How do I make him walk across the platform? I need
Maybe I'll
him to
just
walk
ask
with, like,
Grok to auto tile my goop for me.
Yo, Grok. Put glue all over this level.
Pretty much. Except it's green.
Yeah, pretty much. Ground waypoints, passing in aerial waypoints. So what I'm doing is... What exactly? What's the fucking purpose? Oh, this is the ground underneath the blue ones. Okay. Sure, that's fine. How are we filling in the in-betweens? Because I need the in-betweens to be... Populate aerial targets. Shit. Populate ground targets. Let me look at these function names again. One of these is useful, I promise. So corner waypoints is the initial pass of reds, and then...
Wait, am I kind of cooking with this level design? I feel like I am.
Like ground targets on the current point, vector 2 wide, right and left.
It might be.
I wonder if we could just like... Oh, this might not work. It'd be kind of cool if it did, though.
I might be the Northern Lion of level design.
I don't think so, but that...
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I broke things. Hold on. What's wrong with this? Lots of things, obviously, but... Okay. I know what I can do. Is ground tile is a function that I've defined over here. And I now get to make a new function, which is called is platform tile. If there's no data, then it's not. If there's a collision polygon for the regular layer, the answer is no. Or actually, if there's no, no, that's fine. If there's at least a polygon here, then we will just do turn. Actually, no, that's... Well, yeah, we'll just return that there is, if there's a one-way collision. Otherwise, I guess there's not, or something. Sure. I'm not using that function, so I don't know why I reran the code as if that would do anything different. That was kind of cool.
That was kind of cool.
So I need... Oh, what do I need? I need to update 2 functions. I'm actually going to write these down because I need to remember them. So the next 2 things that I need to do, if I'm looking at this pathfinding, is I need to update the ground target function, which I'll do last. Then I need to make the yellow traversal check ground state. I need to make sure that for these yellow points that there is some sort of ground beneath them. Otherwise, they shouldn't create like these points like here. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is where code in here is slightly messy. Okay, right here. I need you populate ground targets.
Maybe we go lighter on the goop and it'll look better. And makes my life easier. See, that doesn't look too bad at all. I'll stick with that.
Okay, so this is breaking if there is a traverse, if there's anything there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I could probably actually, well, no. No, I couldn't. I lied. Probably.
You're lying.
Well, actually, hold on.
This guy loves lying.
So if this isn't in the point, then we break out. If there's data at the tile map, or at the cell, we break out. However, I don't inherently want to do that. I want it to continue going until it hits an aerial point that okay. I want this to keep going until this is a ground tile, which is why I have this data here, because this is from the actual tile map. So if it ever hits a ground tile, we're done. However, if we hit an aerial point, I need to check if the current point at that spot is not above a drop-through platform. Right? Yeah. So test pause plus equals or what would this be called? I'll just call it down test. Whatever. Down test is test pause plus vector2 dot down. And then I want to check if there's a point there that is a platform. So down data is tile map dot get tile data at down test. And then I will do a check for if is platform tile. So if it's not ground or isn't a platform, we break out because this is a true aerial, which means we don't want to populate the area in between up here. I think that sounds right. So let's find out. down data, and down data. Okay, let's run a regeneration of this. And I don't remember what button is bound to it, but it looks like it's not working, which is a slight issue. Oh wait, no, sorry. I want it to break if both of these are not true. Oh shit, that's a problem. That's wrong. Mhm. Okay, I did something bad, I think.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I did something really bad, and I don't know what it is, I'll be honest. Okay, let me just start here. So if there's no ground beneath this, will this break? The answer is no. Cool. What? If I just bring this back, will this... Okay, hold on. Hold on. I think I know the issue. Okay, that did something. Let's bring this back now. Oh, wait. Wait, have I done it? Have I done it? Does he know how to get to me? Oh, JW.
Did you do it?
Look at him go.
I'm
Watch him
looking.
go.
Wait, I'm not looking yet. Let me look.
Ignore that.
Oh boy, I wish I could see what's going on my screen. The humble debug indicators.
What do you mean, dude? Look at him. He ran along the platform. Ignore that. Watch, he's gonna chase me all the way over here, dude. Across the platform, and if I drop down, he doesn't exactly know that he can drop down here. Don't worry about that. I will have that fixed. He doesn't know that he can drop down. But that's okay.
Pretty cool.
The fact that that works is really nice.
That's quite cool, then.
Yeah, so now all I need to do is tell this that all of the points below it can be dropped to. Or, yeah. Which is so fucking fine. Oh, that's sick. Custom nav stuff? Yeah. I'm cleaning up some of the custom nav stuff that we've had for a little while. I'm actually... Okay, let me bring back the line drawing algorithm and see what happens there. Because that apparently broke things, and I need to make sure that that actually does break things. If is ground tile... Okay, that does break things. I guess slight problem. Wow. I would love to see what this is doing, but I'm not sure I particularly can. Oh no, I totally can, actually. We're gonna add 2 debug points here. Debug cell 1. Say vector 2i. Debug cell 2. Say vector 2i. And then I'm gonna of course bind these to debug or to hand activate 6 and hand activate 7 so that
Fire.
it's easy enough to set up. Okay, so 1 is local to map. It's global mouse position, and then this one will be debug cell 2. And then in the drawing function, ugh. What a gross class. Should have just written in the. Honestly, at a certain point, you should just like write this in fucking C or some shit.
Me?
That's not true. No, not you, not a fucking
Me?
chance. Don't worry, dog.
What?
I ain't putting you in C.
What?
Nope, you're not allowed in C land.
Please. What if I want to?
Imagine being 68, sitting between 67 and 69. Dude, it's gonna get like what the fuck did I just write? Line draw : pass? What the fuck is wrong with me? Yeah, no, sitting between 68, 67, and 69. I'm sure it'll get its time in the spotlight at some point, surely. Let's
6, 7. Sorry.
Okay,
I
dude.
had to.
Line draw is if debug cell 1 and debug cell 2. If line draw. Oh, I guess if these don't equal the same thing, which is null, but whatever. Get line between debug cell 1 and debug cell 2, and then we'll save this in a thing called line. Third point in line, draw a circle at map to local. Methinks. I think that's right. And make this a color dot. What's a cool color that I could use for drawing this? We'll just do green. Oh, oops, wrong value order. 6. Oh.
6, maybe 7.
6? Maybe 7? Maybe 6.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. So true, twin.
Yeah.
So tough. Display debug. 6. Oh shit, those are very large circles. Let's make those a little bit smaller. 6 and 7. 7, 6, 7. Why is this no longer drawing? Why actually is this not drawing? That's bah. It's not print line. Those sure do seem like they should be drawing. That's really weird. I'll use the tile maps map to local because apparently that's slightly different or something. Oh, it is. Okay, cool. Whatever. So from here to here. Ah, I see. You're a problem. What's the does anyone know the alternative line drawing thing that isn't Brazenham's or Brazen? Is it Brazenham? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Brazen line.
What you're talking about either.
What is this called? Brazenmeyer? Maybe? Is that what it's called? Am I stupid? No, it is Brazenham. I'm like, what the hell, man? algorithm, perhaps? Is there a way that we can do that? Because this doesn't seem to be giving me the correct thing. Oh no, I actually have to like code this myself. What the hell? What are the chances I can just like type in Godot and get like an answer from somebody that's already done it?
Diddy, the enemy cutout thing is broken on the card.
What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, you're loading directly into a level, right?
Oh, is that why? Okay.
Yeah, set your render scale to high, and if it is still fucked up, then
It is high.
aw shit. Set your render scale to not high. Shit.
I mean, it should be fine because
try-
you'll always be reloading into a level.
Yeah, I would just make sure that it is correct. On
Yeah,
the...
I'll double check. I think I should be able to load into this room.
Hopefully.
From the
Let's find
poison
out.
level. Probably. I'm also working on adjusting some stuff because the green in the poison area is a little bit too bright, so I'm just... We're already modulating some of the tiles to make them a little darker. So they're not quite as obtrusive. But I just made them even darker for the poison area, so I don't know if we want to do that dynamically somehow, or if... we'll figure it out later, but...
Hold up, let me look at this code really quickly. Which one am I using? This is this person's code. Here's another algorithm. It guarantees a line should not pass through diagonal edges. Okay, so maybe I don't want that one. Let's try this one. Take the same arguments, do you output the same things? You do in fact take the same arguments, and you do in fact return the same things. So vector 2i.
Bitlytic, it works.
Vector 2i. Hooray! Nice. Ah shit, what did you return? An array of vector 2i. And you're gonna be upset because you're like, this isn't vector 2i. We're just gonna keep stealing code until it works. Eventually it will work. It's line between. I actually don't. Does that work? Can you subscript a vector 2i? Oh, I guess you can. Cool. All right, let's find out if this works. I'm gonna save the code and then. Cool. It runs nothing. Oh shit, hella errors. Okay. Attempted to push back a variable of type array into typed array of type. Oh, yeah, because this person didn't actually use vector 2i. They used, they put an array. Okay. That looks more correct, but it does still cause issues. Fuck. Because you're not seeing this. You're like biased against it. That's so annoying. Are you biased like left side? You are left side biased. That's actually really annoying. Oh wait, no, just kidding. Wait, what?
What?
So this works. But what the fuck? What the hell?
What the hell-y? What the hell-y?
How could I... Oh, I could do some evil shit. I could do some evil shit. Do I do evil shit? Wait. Wait, that actually might work. That's disgusting. I'm gonna try that. Oh, Lord. If not valid. Yeah. If it's not valid, then I want you to check the second array of points, and we're just going to reverse the order. On the bright side, this is a very fast thing to check, because this is not going to be run, like, even remotely close to often. Oh shit, dude. Wait. Is it alive? Does he work? The answer is almost. Fuck. Wait, what? No, dude. Knock it off. Why are you doing this? You're still fucked up and evil. I don't understand why. This should... What?
What?
Oh. Why do you break instead of returning? No, dude, you're like so fucking right. Why do I break instead of returning? Well, actually, I would care about this here now that I'm going to be checking 2 lines. Although I could... Does line hit ground? Does line hit ground? We'll do this a little bit. But you are 100% right. But before, when it was just this, I could have just been returning valid, or returning, like I could have been doing return false here, and then return. I mean, I could just return valid or true probably at this point. No, I could just return valid, but yeah, no. Which this will be useful for this if it's let's see, so if this isn't a thing, so I can just do if not valid. If this is a point, if there's a point here and the point type is ground, it should be valid. Otherwise, if it's not valid, just return false. We don't have to check this here then, and then we can just return true out of this. And then here, so then I only need to check this here. Does line hit ground from pause 2 points? And this function is going to be the original thing. We're going to return that. Otherwise, return true. This will be true, false. If any of these are ground, and that's true. So if the first line hits the ground, I could probably just return this outright. Return. Oh fuck. This, or, and then the secondary, which is going to be the opposite order because I'm evil and fucked up. Oh wait. Oh shit, I might be like incredibly stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Oh no, it was not a scuffed optional. You can't actually return null as a boolean in GD script. I'm fairly certain this will say that, yeah. And I try to statically type as much as possible. Oh shit! He made it up. Wait, does he know how to pathfind now? Does it work?
Does he know?
Follow me all the way up? Oh shit, wait. Wait a moment. Hold on, he might be cooking. He might be cooking. Holy shit, dude, look at him go. My fucking creation is alive, dude. Dude, GW, look at him. He goes through platforms.
Whoa.
Shit. Don't worry about that.
I didn't see anything.
I need to
Don't
connect
worry.
those at some point. Yeah, it's fine. If I'm here, it'll work. Let's
I'm
fucking
here,
go.
it'll work.
Okay. Yeah, it's a very specific edge case, except not an edge case at all because it's very common. But whatever. It's just that I need to take the traversal points and create targets for them, which actually might be a bit of a bitch. Wait, hold on. Put your ass in slow-mo. I need to look at the level. Hmm. Yeah, I need all of these guys to know that they can drop down to these down below, which I think should be easy enough. Because I can just loop through all of the traversal points because they're all the same type, and just connect them to any traversal or to any points on the ground, of which there should be some. Yeah. Let me actually make sure that this isn't. This was throwing errors before. Is this? Ah, shit. What in the hell are you talking about, dude? Ah, shit. I may be stupid. Oh, Callie. No. My creature. Point type is 2, which is this white point type variable, which should be up here. I don't know why it's. Traversal is. I don't know why that's checking a 2, actually. You shouldn't be doing that. You literally have access to this variable. Don't be checking numbers versus enums, please. So this will get those points.
Okay, there we go. I just darkened the green stuff in A Sprite so it fits the color palette better. Definitely easier to see now.
I actually don't know what this will return. I guess we're gonna find out if this is broken or not. I mean, it's definitely broken. I just get to find out why it's broken and how it's broken. That's fun. Okay, so you... Yeah. Point with ID 19. Is it always 19? Cats? Okay, point 19 is a good thing. Cool.
Also, I don't know why, but now when you kill the big hive guy, it now shows the damage numbers on all the little guys when they die. It like didn't do that before, and I don't know why it does it now.
Give me a second. Are you sure it did
Yep.
not do that before?
I'm sure it didn't.
How are you killing them?
I don't know.
Okay.
That's a good question. I don't remember which one handles killing them, because I know it was weird, because, like, you're probably gonna kill me for this, but, I think, like, one of them handles killing them, and then the other one handles, like, the actual visual, like, connection. Just because of how I set it up, because it's weird, I don't remember.
Wait, sorry, what?
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it.
One of them handles...
Don't worry about it.
I don't even know what that could mean is the problem. Like, it's not even like a, this sounds like a weird thing. I don't even know what these words could mean.
Don't worry about it.
Alright. I'm not worrying about it. Target point is not... Yeah, you're right. It's just a target. Whatever, dude. Does this print anything out? Okay. It does. I know kind of what that's talking about, but let's... Point ID.
JW, when is the Fall Guys collab coming like you promised? I don't
When
know.
the fuck was this promised?
I don't know.
Oh, dude. What the hell? What the hell-y?
What the hell are you?
What if they added a character to Deadlock that said that whenever they got like parried or some shit? They just
Oh,
went,
here
what
we
the
go.
hell?
Kill spawns. Spawn an enemy in spawned list. Creates an attack. Attack is equal to the enemy's health. And then the attack position. Oh, I see. If player the attack source becomes the player, that's what we want. Yeah. Okay. Is there a way to?
Oh
like...
yeah, you definitely don't want the source of killing the spawns to be
I
the player
do.
source. I think.
Because then if you
Why?
kill them, like, and you have, like, exploding enemies, it also explodes the little guys, too.
Oh, okay. I mean, if you want that, sure.
Yeah, I
I
want
was
that.
thinking like we wouldn't, but that's okay.
No, that's sick.
Yeah. So what do you want it to do?
I just wanted to not show the damage numbers. I mean, it's probably fine.
I'm like thinking, I'm like, are you sure it never showed the damage numbers?
I'm sure.
Because I can't think of anything that would have a...
Let me find, I'm pretty sure I have a clip
An
of it
exception for
somewhere in
that.
here.
It's the health component. Maybe don't put that on a different monitor, brother.
It's fine. I know it's in here.
Okay.
It is only
Alright, sure.
Dante's 9 stuff.
Okay, I was just like, because you went through like your, like your documents folder or some shit, and then eventually got there.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't care.
Yeah, so the damage numbers .create is called if the damage numbers is enabled, which is debug flag, and then if the target is not player. And if those two things are true, it should
weird.
always create damage numbers. And I can't imagine a world where it would do anything else. Which is why I'm a little skeptical about it not working thing.
Yeah,
So,
where did I...
so
thought I had a
point
video of this.
5 and point, or no, shit, point at minus, I need to
Gotta
notepad
be
this
in here
motherfucker.
somewhere.
I need to actually, you know what, I'm gonna snipping tool this. Because snipping tool will stay on my screen forever. Up. So what's wrong with you? Why are you not correct?
Here guys, what I have here.
So, 0.5 and 19 are trying to be connected. So 19 is supposed to be at 9 minus 12.
Okay, that one died before it gets on
Is-
anything.
Right here, minus 12 is 3. I see. Kind of.
Guess maybe it did. Maybe
Okay.
I'm going insane.
Yeah, because I can't like picture it in my head. I mean, I can picture it not happening, but I don't like.
Yeah, I just
I
thought.
don't think that's the
I don't know.
default.
Weird.
Going insane. I mean, we can add that. It's just I don't. It would need a little bit of a touch to get it to do it. Let's see. Can I ask an A-star grid if it currently has a point? Perhaps. Is there a Boolean method that returns has points? Sounds like the correct one. If a star dot has points, which will be point dot point b. So if this doesn't have the current point, we're gonna go next, and then the same thing if its target point is not in the grid. Target. I think that should work. So that should get rid of all of these errors. They do not matter.
You know what I'm confused by is it says it's dealing 100 damage to all of them, which is definitely not what it should be. It says attack damage is equal to. And, oh, I think this is it setting it to
it's the hive.
Its own. Yeah. So it should be spawned enemy.
The spawned enemy. Yeah.
That's why it was weird. So maybe that's why I wasn't noticing it before, because 100 is a lot bigger number, so I like didn't see it.
Yeah.
Or like
because good luck on the debugging. Thank you. I actually think I just got it to work, so that's really cool.
Let's go to
yeah. Oh, I accidentally turned on the debug camera. Fuck. I need to fix that menu option because it's not supposed to do that. Time stable. New build. So this should have no errors whenever it tries to do things. Okay, sick. So now I just need to make the traversal points connect the points below it, which should not be particularly difficult. Hopefully. He was then stuck on this for 8 hours.
Yeah, there we go. Now it's right around there. Oh, also, I need to decrease the health of the eggs, because right now they have like 30 health, which is more than the spawn themselves have. You should have like 15 health. And also for the hive, you should spawn the little guys probably a little bit faster, given that they like die a lot faster. Say max eggs is 6, egg shoot delay is 0.35.
Shit. Fuck, those are the keys. So the values that I need to loop over, which means that these will point to waypoint. And so for each of these points, if point dot type equals waypoint type dot traversal, I would like to add this to an array, or well, when someone asks me what the last name of the person who wrote Animal Farm is that right?
What?
Animal Farm. That was written by George Orwell, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what? I'm cracking up in caffeine. Let's go. Yay. Yum, yum, yum. I love caffeine. I would like to make a function called populate platform targets, perhaps? Okay, and what is this going to do? This is going to be... I'm going to pass it a waypoint. And a bounds. And what this is going to do is... Turn this. Yeah. I think this is the function I'm going to be using the most. Ah, shit. Ah, beans.
Beans.
I'm now realizing a slight issue with this, which it can be ignored for now, potentially, probably, hopefully. This function up here, you're going to do things for me, which is going to be populate platform targets, and you're going to give me a point here, which is going to be a waypoint or reversal point. Or I guess platform point would probably make more sense. Vector waypoint. Okay, and what you're going to do is not do this for every point. Not data. So until we find data not correct, while not is ground tile data. Okay, if there's no thing here, just return out waypoints, I guess. A little early. Okay. You actually won't be creating a new waypoint, which is terrific. Also, actually, you'll be doing a few things. So, if there's a waypoint there, we'll do this. You actually aren't creating a new waypoint. You are just adding this waypoint. And then I wonder what this will do. This will be funny, potentially. Point dot ground point. Ah, shit. Ground point is used for what again? I think this is used for. Yeah. That's fine. This can be adapted to be an array as well. This might be fun. This might be cool.
Might it?
It might be. It might be. I'll have to see.
Okay.
Sure. If we have a waypoint, add it to the list. No other compilation errors. I don't believe you. Are there any unsafe lines in here? There's 2 here, which don't matter. Those are casting lines. That doesn't matter. Really? Okay, well, let's watch it crash then together. There it is. Oh, no, that's fine. That's because it hasn't recompiled. Rerun this. Where would it even crash? I'm not even calling the function, so it shouldn't crash. Oh, I found a place that crashes. That's fine. I know why it crashed there. I'm glad that it crashed there because that was a place that I was like, I'm surprised it didn't throw an error. Ah, okay, there we go. If point dot ground point. So ground points are just places that you could fall and jump from. This actually should do point dot ground points. Ah, shit. Wait, what?
What?
Hold on. For point inside points. That. I see. I understand.
Go.
Or ground point in ground points. Or in point dot ground point. So all of the ground points below something should be counted as well as targets that should be valid. Yeah, that makes sense enough. Yeah. Right? Yeah, you agree with me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Yep. For sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so this... Alright, so this doesn't work, which is okay, because I didn't expect it to fully work, because I didn't actually create this yet. I didn't actually start calling the function that I'm scared of. So let's do that now. Populate platform targets with the point and the map bounds. I'm so fucking scared of this function. Oh, it did something evil. Yo, look at this sick ass mesh of lines. Really cool, right?
That is very cool.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's like kind of terrible. Why? So data is null. We start here. Read this. Ah, okay. I see. I don't see. I think I'm wrong and stupid or something. Why do I have a web? Why is there a web of lies that I'm staring at right now? What are you added via? I think these are ground points, but I don't know why they are. Okay, let me take a look at this. So if I were to get rid of this, does that fix it? No. No.
No.
No. Why not? 6, 7.
6, 7.
Okay, so that doesn't work. Let's get rid of this. Oh shit! Nice. Good crash. For point in grid path. Yes, you should be a get function instead of a direct access. as point. If not a point, continue. You should not crash on that. 'Cause that's a problem. I mean, it shouldn't be a problem, but apparently it is. I ran the wrong damn scene. Set as main scene and then run. Why are you breaking? Draw, it's now nav. See, that like looks correct almost. ES. Ground enemy fired. Yeah, there's way too many connections there. Who is being connected? So these guys are going down here and connecting to all of the other targets, which is a problem. Oh, wait. Where the fuck are you? What are you doing? For target and target points, valid target upend. I see what's happening here. Because before this only worked with aerial points, which had only one target. However, that's not the case anymore because we're working with traversal points. So for point and jump point, if... Okay, I see what's going on. So I can say if point dot type equals waypoint type dot aerial, we want to add all of the targets. Otherwise, if it is a traversal, we only want to append that point. Correct. Okay, nice. Yes, I think that works. But was it really an issue before, actually? Just doing if true here really quickly. Did this cause problems? Let me look at this. Let's do here. Are you connected? You are connected way too far. Okay. Oh yeah, it's also connected here. Oops. Why in the fucking world is it connected there, actually? What the hell are you doing? Ah, okay. Okay, I understand. Gotcha. That makes sense. Hopefully, probably, potentially. Oh shit, why are you going over there? Oh, you think that's faster? Interesting. I think that's probably fine if it just miscalculates which path is like technically optimal, so long as it's able to get there in a reasonable amount of time. Okay, and let me bring these back in and make sure that this works. Okay, and then I think... Oh, dude, that looks fucking sick. Okay, does this work if I were to go into the room and do the thing that I'm dreading, which is making this a drop-through platform as well? I'm very scared of this. Because this might not work correctly. Ah, shit. It doesn't. Why? I guess this I should see this as a corner point actually. Let me find this. So it's corner points. You. Ooh, okay, that was the wrong move. Oopsies. Corner. Wait, once. So what do I need you to do? So if this isn't ground, we go next. Or if we're not above ground, okay. Sure. I wonder if I could just make this... Oh, what the hell did that just make? Is that right? Oh no, it's not correct. You may be stupid, buddy. I don't know why you're not. Oh wait, no, I'm the stupid one, I think.
Are you?
What's up?
I said, are you?
I might be. Why does he think he can reach this? Hmm. Damn it, dude. He's so close to working, but like, he just isn't. And it's pissing me off. It's not actually pissing me off, but like,
PMO.
This one. Okay, I'm gonna walk away for a second. I'm gonna put you on stream.
Uh-oh. I'm scared.
I'm gonna do the
so
walk around and think thing for a second. So I will be right back.
Well, I had little paper things that fly around. That's also cool, chat. I don't know if I like it or not, but... I think they work pretty well.
Okay, I'm back. Hello.
Hello, twin.
I may be stupid.
Yeah, maybe.
Because I don't think I'm closer to figuring out the answer, unfortunately. Is solid tile. I guess so. If this is ground tile, does this do anything useful for me? Let's find out. Let's just try random shit. I'm gonna throw random shit at it until it eventually works. The answer is no. Let's see. So why does this count as an edge tile and not anything else? Oh, thank you, OBS Studio, for saying that you've disconnected and then reconnected. That's really cool.
Oh, by the way, they're adding Shovel Knight to Rivals.
Okay, dude. Is that real or is that fake?
It's real.
Okay, dude. I can't tell if you're being genuine or not. Oh shit, they're adding Slade! Wait! Okay, that's sick. Hold on, I'm watching this. I don't give a fuck about anything else. I'm watching this. Did you see this trailer yet?
Does he know?
Do I know? What? Have you seen the trailer?
Maybe.
I'm watching this now.
Do you like my paper particles that I added to it?
Give me a. This is. I don't care. Sorry.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Fuck! I should have had the Genesis stream open. I figured they would reveal something like this. Interesting accent on this guy. I wouldn't have. I don't know why I didn't picture that, but it makes sense. Holy shit, that's Arcane, dude.
That working.
Holy shit, dude, it's fucking Slade. Motherfuckers are gonna be going crazy over this one. I know people have been looking forward to this character a lot. No, dude. No, he's fucking Shovel Knight. He, like, actually is. What's this move from Shovel Knight? Wait. A chest. Oh, they
That's
just
the
changed
shop.
it. Okay,
That's the
because
shop.
yeah, because it
Pretty
used to be he would just use his taunt when he was on the ground, but it looks like he puts down the chest and then he can walk up and interact with it. Did you see? Have you seen the moves yet?
No, maybe.
Like the defy death once upon hitting a blast zone.
What?
What the fuck do you mean defy death once upon hitting a blast zone?
I guess we'll see what that does.
Oh my god, he has a guardian angel.
That's insane.
What the fuck? He's like way cooler than Shovel Knight. Like unbelievably cooler. Sorry, what did this say?
Did you just see
They go
that
through all
fish
of them?
combo?
The aerial. The aerial. Down aerial launches you downward. That's probably, it's the Link sword, right? Yeah. Sorry, wait. Wait, what? He's like a mix of Link and Shovel Knight. Because he's got Link's Nair and Link's down air.
Sure.
That's like legitimately just Link's Nair. And Link's up B as well. What the fuck? Sorry, what else did he just pull out? And he's got Link's hook shot. Replace your grab with a tether. Oh yeah, does that mean he can fucking tether to ledge? Wait, this might actually be sick as fuck. Sorry, I missed it. I'm gonna go back. Yeah, he actually just has hook shot.
I hate how the coins look. They look so bad.
It would be kind of cool if they were like 2D sprites with like some sort of stylized thing on them, but yeah, they look
Maybe.
a little weird. Wait, dude, it's literally just wait.
They're like too thin is the problem, I think. Like, if they were just, like,
Yeah,
thicker,
yeah, they don't
they'd
have any
look better.
depth to them at all.
They just look
Wait,
like they're made
sorry,
out of
I just wanna-
paper.
So he's got a shuriken, sure. Tear of the Goddess from League of Legends or some shit. I don't know what the fuck that is. He's got boomerang. He's got Link's boomerang. And Link's bomb. Does that mean we're getting an item mode soon?
Maybe. Yeah.
Because they've added a character that can throw items? April 7th? We have to wait 2 fucking months for this character? Fuck. That's fucking sick. That's actually really
That's kinda
exciting, though.
cool.
What are we talking about? Welcome back, Shovel Knight. Close enough. Welcome back, Shovel Knight. Yeah. Yeah, people were assuming that that they would eventually bring back Shovel Knight as Slade. It's actually crazy that they added him so early into the game. I mean, early. The game's been out for like a year and a half, but whatever.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's actually fucking sick, though. He looks fun.
Mhm.
He looks annoying, but he looks fun. I'm so sad that I'm gonna have to tell Otter some good news.
Yeah.
That's like probably the worst part of it all.
True. We still need to get him to play
Okay,
Deadlock
dude.
with us.
No, no,
Yes,
no,
we
no, no,
do.
no. No, we don't.
Oh, okay. I'm picking him right now.
Let's see. So this is broken because he thinks he can jump up here, which is a problem because he most certainly cannot. Why does he think he can jump up here? Because this should be able to see for point and jump points if point.height. Oh, you're not doing what I thought you would be doing, actually. What happened to the...
I will also be back in just a second. I need to grab a snack. I'm hungry.
Okay, good luck. Oh, I need this to be... Height diff is point dot cell pause minus point dot cell pause dot y minus what exactly? Just cell pause dot y. So this is gonna be the actual difference between these two, and then if this height diff is less than that. Wait, does he drop there? Oh, he doesn't. Fuck. Why? Wait, am I stupid? I'm going way the fuck back up here. Where's jump points? What? Oh, oops. Platform point needs to have those added. Yeah, dude. Okay, there we go. Almost. Well. Oh shit, sorry. I forgot to turn my music back on, but when am I gonna listen to 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed? Nah, dude. That shit's childish, bro. We only listen to Johnny around here. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why are you not working? Does this connect as bi-directional? I wonder. Tile navigation agent. Am I just like blanket connecting these as connect points? Bi-directional is if the target type is traversal. Okay. I actually don't want that to be a thing. I want it to be fuck. I need this to be that target type is traversal and target.cellpause.y is equal to point.cellpause.y. There we go. Does that work correctly? Wait, there's no way. Wait, hold on. That looks right to me, which is really exciting. Oh, so close. So fucking close.
Okay, I'm back, but I'm gonna eat some Cheez-Its, so I'm not really back, but I'm
Okay.
here if you need to like say.
Yo,
words
take a
to
look at this
me.
shit.
Okay.
So he can drop down here.
Mm-hmm.
If I drop down here, he'll follow me. And if I go up here, he will go around. And he'll make it all the way back up here. And he uses platforms now. And he can drop through platforms all the way down.
That's kind of scary.
Yeah. He, like, works now, and it's weird. Like, look, dude, he just drops down.
That's kind of evil.
He works. He fucking works, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna eat my Cheez-Its now.
Alright, good luck. Good luck, home slice. You got this, Twinity. Is Tempura shitting while watching 6, 7 memes. Probably not right now. Maybe though. I wouldn't put it past him. I
6,
also
7.
think, yeah, that one. I'm gonna put this in my to-do notes because I think now that I've got a few more things figured out about the tile map navigation, I think I would like to make it so that generalized tile navigation agent connections. Because I can see there's a few places that this isn't really an issue, but it kind of is. Like, for example, right here, there's a missing connection between these two nodes because the rules are a little bit more, they're like not generic between all of the node types. There's just like a couple of things that are a little weird, like how this node is blue, it means it's a jump point. These nodes are yellow, which means that they are traversal points. And then the red ones are like the kind of anchor points, I guess. I think I would like to generalize some of these rules now that everything is a little bit more set in stone. Like I would like to use the blue and red points kind of as a guide, and then create a map solely out of the yellow points and use those to actually connect things together. I think that would be way better than this weird in-between shit that I'm doing. Because it also leads to some weird shit where ideally the navigation would be able to see that there's a connection that could be made here. So from this red node up to this node, but that only works if there is a jump node right here, which is a problem. But not like a huge problem. And I think that can be solved really easily by also this doesn't have a connection in the way that it should, I think. Although actually no, this one does have a connection in the way that it should. But like small stuff like that, I think would be
Okay, I finished eating
really
my
nice to
Cheez-Its.
fix at some point. Damn, bro, you went through a whole ass box of Cheez-Its like that.
It was actually a little bag, but yeah, whatever.
No, never underestimate a white boy when it comes to eating cheese in a really
I love
fast time.
Cheez-Its. I still
That's
don't
so
know if
true.
Cheez-Its or Goldfish are better. Like, I feel like they're so even.
I think that Cheez-Its you can maybe get tired of. Or at least I've gotten tired of Cheez-Its at a certain
Yeah.
point where I'm like, I don't want to eat more
Yep.
Cheez-Its, but I feel like Goldfish, it's kind of hard to do
Yeah,
that with.
yeah, I agree 100%.
Oh, dude, this looks so
So I
sick,
feel like the
minus this
highs
look.
of Cheez-Its
Oh,
might be
savage.
higher, but like
Yeah.
Goldfish are always there for you.
Yeah, I think Cheez-Its have a higher skill ceiling. But
Cheez-Its also have a lot of
Dante's
really
9
good
X
flavors
Eugenics
too.
collab win. I would love that, dude. I would love to Dante's 9 Eugenics collab. Can I run Vital on my computer right now?
Okay, what am
Please
I
don't
working
open on my main
on?
monitor. Okay, we're good.
Almost
Huh?
5 o'clock already. Maybe I'll just
Does this
like
work?
end stream and play
Oh, shit.
Deadlock.
Wait, can I make a meow sound really quickly?
You're gonna make a meow sound?
I'm gonna make a meow sound.
How?
By using Vital.
What even is that? How does that work?
It's a synthesizer. Have you never used a synth before?
I mean, I have. It's just this one looks different.
Oh. Like, have you used a synth where you make your own, like, sounds and shit?
Yeah, like I've used a couple.
Like what?
I don't remember, but like whatever is built into the thing that I used.
Oh, okay, fair enough. What a funny
Does
sound.
it work? Wait.
No, it's not a meow in the slightest.
Oh.
It's also very
Oh,
slow. but
you have
it's,
your music on still. It will not unmute your stream.
yeah.
It's twin pinky.
Making random sounds.
But yeah, I've messed with it a little bit. I
That's
kind
funny.
of suck at it, but it's fun.
Let's- and then we'll take the level down based on this envelope. And then maybe use not this. What if I make it? Oh my god! What if I add unison so we have a fucking electronic cat?
This is gonna
No,
be the second
definitely
meow
not.
in the game.
No, definitely not.
Okay. By the way, if anybody wants to
That's
record themselves meowing, we might add it to Dante 9.
That's somewhat true. Yeah.
I mean, if it's good enough, I'll add it. I don't care.
Damn. First said meow for me.
Yeah.
What the hell?
What the hell, you?
This is not making noise anymore. What if I added like just some funky shit to this, like just like a little bit of warble? That'd be kind of fun, right? Maybe a little bit more warble, a little bit slower. Nah, okay, I'm done with that. Haha, back to coding. Why the fuck are you upset? Cannot connect point to itself. I think that was fixed. Let's find out. Please, for the love of God, don't throw me errors. No errors yet. ES, spawn, ground enemy fire. No errors. If I hit Q a bunch of times, no errors. And this motherfucker chases me, dude. He chases me. He's like only slightly terrifying now. I'm kind of curious, actually. If I were to... I don't know why I did that. I wonder if I load into the regular game and spawn him in regular rooms, if it'll work.
Spawn him in regular style.
Yeah, spawning that motherfucker a regular style. Level, select level flesh. Level flesh selected. What was a room that was notoriously bad with drop-through platforms? Room 3? Yeah.
I wouldn't say that one, but maybe it will. Actually, yeah, that one. Oh, it's scary. Can he chase you up through the drop-through?
Looks like the answer is no. Because of what?
It might be too short. Or too
I
tall
think this
for him.
is too... This is, no, it's, too thin
That's
of an
crazy.
area, I think.
Oh, by the way, you never
don't know
said
why-
if you like my papers particles or not.
What is...
There might be a little too many of them, but...
There's a little too much, yeah. They kind of just look like leaves a little bit, and I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. What if you gave them collision so they hit the tile map?
Okay.
Okay.
Collision.
Also, hello, Benny VV. How you doing? Why are these blue? Let me go to room 3 actually and see if
Hide on contact. Try
no, not hide on contact.
rigid.
Change it to yeah, rigid.
Wait, how do I set what layer they're on?
They don't use a layer. That's not how
Oh.
collisions those work.
Oh, right, because it's based on the.
Yeah,
That looks.
I would
so
say probably
weird.
turn bounce down
Yeah.
and maybe turn friction up a little bit, like just the teensiest tiny bit.
Yeah, that doesn't help.
Yeah, I don't know. They're kind of just. They're also. One issue with it is they don't really feel like how papers would be flying through something.
Yeah.
Because they're kind of just like traveling in a direction ish, but like paper typically follows like a wind path, and if there's no wind path, like they're just kind of
Yeah.
floating randomly.
I could reduce
Like
the
it's just get a
randomness
99%
of them.
discount. Probably not, but I think probably. I mean, I don't know what JW's plans are with it. I think that there's a few
You have to
people
pay
that'll probably end
extra.
up just like. Yeah, you have to pay extra if you're a playtester actually, because of
Yeah.
all the pain that we have to endure because of your playtesting.
Mhm.
But no, my thoughts are I'm probably gonna have a couple of people that I'm gonna just like toss a copy of the game at,
What?
like friends and shit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this... Oh, fuck, this doesn't work. Why? Why doesn't this work? Whatever.
There we go. Now they're kind of all going in the same direction.
Okay, he really struggles with low ceilings like this up into the thing, but yeah, I'll have to figure that out. It looks like he has issues with this. Also, I widened the path so he's actually able to make it up
Mm-hmm.
a little bit better.
Yeah, I think that's better anyways, just level design-wise, because having a tiny little gap like that is not good.
But he can't make it up here, obviously, because there's no path up here. Which I think is maybe a level design-like decision. But he can make it up here, and then he can also follow me back down here. So he can like actually go around this, minus the head bumping that's going on down there.
Yeah. Let's turn down the number of the balls to 30.
I also need to clean up the line algorithm a little bit. Clean up the line algo, which includes things like probably use some sort of Bezier curve with ground points, target points, and side of points, I guess. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Because I think that it would make way more sense, I guess specifically for this algorithm, if an enemy is approaching from here, rather than like creating the boxes around each of these and checking if any of those are whatever. I think it would make more sense for it to say, my starting point is here, my ending point is here, and I'm on this side, so put a point here, and then create like a Bezier curve running through that. And if any of these tiles end up being a thing, that should be marked as not valid. I think that would make sense. Honestly, you know what? Fuck it, I'm doing that now. Sorry.
What?
Sorry, JW, I just want to bring a message up to your attention.
Mm-hmm.
If there isn't a secret 0.1% 6/7/boy kisser room, I'm not buying.
Okay, fine.
Which one is this a fine to? Is this fine I'm not adding? I guess you're not buying, or fine, I guess I have to add that.
I don't know.
Okay.
I guess you'll have to buy it and see.
Yeah, no, there definitely will be some sort of boy kiss or something in the game because
What?
I don't know what it is with my server and JW's server, but there's a lot of really cool people that end up joining, and they tend to like boy kisser. Let's see. So the line algorithm is where? Not tile navigation. Line. Does line hit ground? Let's find out. Get Bezier line. So from pause, vector 2i, to pause, vector 2i. So what I want this to do, vector 2, is, oh shit, how does this work? me think through this. I'm gonna do this in the editor. It's gonna be way easier to see the grid here. So let's say my target point is right here, and we start right here. I want to start in the center of this. If I were to use linear interpolation, I could add the tile size, which would go from here. Actually, I should probably test this first before I do anything else. Let's do that. Let's draw a regular line before I draw a complex line. Get Bezier line. Oh, well, hold on. Test position is going to be just a vector 2. Starts at the front position. And pause is that.
Hello? Why is it?
Hi.
Why is this so the wrong color?
Did you set it to be a different color?
Be the right color.
Is the color in the tile map?
Oh wait. It's the color that it should be, right?
I don't know. Copy the hex code from Sprite, I guess. And pray.
Oh wait, this color isn't in our isn't in the palette.
Really? Why?
I don't know.
Is it like normally not in the palette, or is that
It's not in Dante palette. It's in the palette.
Are you sure? Wait, can you click the third row? Like third from the right. Good luck. Actually, that's easy as fuck. Never mind. What the fuck? Did it just... That was crazy. It went back a page whenever you did that? Because you dragged up?
I guess.
That's fucking sick. I didn't know it would do that. I guess actually the step would just be 1, right? Like I would just... Bar direction is from end position minus this position. But like normalize. And then I would just... Point stop. Direction. And then I would... What? It's also... sorry, not direction. Test pause. Or I guess I would just do from pause here.
There we go, now that works. Maybe let's go play Deadlock while you could.
What the fuck, man? Evil creature found in the Dante's 9 dev stream. Fork found in ocean. I thought I gotta write down the current time and I gotta show Moaz that later. Fucking fork found in ocean. Oh, Deadlock's such a good game. More distance is in our diff.link. And then I can just do diff should be correct. And then our current distance is what? Is there a function to get the length of a Bezier line actually? I'll worry about that later. While current distance is less than distance, current distance plus equals 1. And then I would like to do point stop and pick QI sub plus equals direction. Okay, and what exactly does this get? What exactly does this do for me? Let's find out. I'll do get Bezier line between these two. Are you gonna be cool? Are you gonna be chill? Because it's not gonna work. Okay, that doesn't work. That's cool.
Ooh, I want to play Deadlock.
Why doesn't that work? Is actually the question. Let me make sure. It looks like I'm off by an amount. Why? I see. Yeah, true.
Sorry.
What the fuck are you listening to? What in the world could that even be?
Click Clockwood.
What?
This guy's not no ball.
Wood? I don't, I guess, or something. What are you talking about, dude?
It's actually insane.
Oh wait, I guess I could just do 4i into distance. And step is what? 1 divided by distance? Which would be the inverse of how many times I need to go over this. And then I could do point stop append. What the fuck? If this works, that's going to be kind of cool, because I didn't expect it to work. Or I didn't expect my brain to just come up with the answer like that, but maybe it worked, maybe it doesn't, I guess. Then what I would like to do is I would like to interpolate from test position. No. Yes. From test position dot lerp to end position over what step? Wait, no, what the hell am I doing? No, this is right. Step times I. And then convert this to a vector 2i. What the fuck am I writing? And does it work? So from 6 to 7. Nope.
6, 7?
Doesn't work. Yeah, that's the one.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not fine.
I'm not sorry either.
Yeah. Am I like what? Gah? Vector 2i. So from position, let's say I just add just the test position and the end position and nothing else. Are these the correct points? Yes. Okay. So let's say that I add like Well, actually, distance. How many cells do you think are between these two? 7? This should be like, okay, this is 1, this is 2. This should also be 2. So I would start here, I would add 1, and then I would add the last position. Okay, that's fine. Oh, maybe I had this right. Maybe I just need to also add the end position. Nope, still wrong. Very much wrong. Oh, because I could just do distance divided by I. I don't know if that's right. That feels wrong as fuck. And it probably is. It 100% is, which is really cool. Am I stupid? Do I not know how to make a line?
Maybe.
Wait, I'm like... I divided by distance would give me the current progress. Right? I guess this would be ratio is what it would be called. Can I just do ratio here? Perhaps? Is that an extra parentheses now? Okay, that's still wrong as fuck. And I don't know why this is getting a point up here and it just definitely shouldn't. Maybe you just need to have like one more point. Nope, I lied. That still feels wrong as fuck. If anything, there should be a point here and not there. Okay, let's just do something stupid for a second. Something really stupid. Not that stupid, but this stupid, probably. Yeah, I don't... That feels wrong. That feels very wrong. Like, if these are on the same level, that works. But otherwise, it... What? It's because I'm converting by truncation, right? Is that it? I think it's that. I think I can do dot round off of this. Yeah. That like almost works. I need this to now be distance. Can you do that in Godot? Can you loop over a float? I guess you can. Cool. Didn't know that. Shit. 9. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, and then the 10th one. That's definitely not a good line. They talked about the perfect line, but they never talk about the imperfect line.
One thing I noticed with the flying guys is with their new movement, the avoidance like doesn't do anything. So they can kind of just like stick on top of each other in some cases.
Yeah,
which there's a lot of cases for that with other enemies too, but that's fine.
Yeah,
it's not like a huge deal. It's just something to note.
Yeah, because the avoidance thing only affects things that are moving constantly at velocity, whereas these guys are like, where do I dash to? And then it says dash here, and he's like, okay, sure.
Yeah. Which, I mean, we could literally just have like a constant thing that's like, if there's another enemy on top of me, then move me out of the way.
Yeah. There's a couple ways that we could deal with it.
Because we also need the same for like the ground guys too. And the worms and every enemy. Except for like the eyeballs and the Bruce. Those are fine.
Okay, let's say I already use...
Okay, let me look. Is there anything else you want to do before for the playtest at least? There's a couple things I want in the trailer.
Oh shit. Oh shit, my song is on, dude. Let's fucking go. Yeah, this line algorithm is just way better. So what are we doing in this algorithm? And is there a way that I can adapt it for my evil purposes? Oh my god, dude, I hate when mathematicians write code sometimes.
So real, so real.
Like, I understand what dx and dy are. That's easy. That's fucking delta x and delta y. Great. What in the fucking world is sx and sy? I can see now, because I'm sitting here looking at it, and it's written in ternary, which, fuck you. But it's the sign of x and the sign of y. So if p0 and p1, okay, yeah, so if the x and y coordinates of the lines are the same, then break. Great. Terrific. P2 is error times 2. Okay. If error 2 is greater than delta y, then we add delta y to error. And we add the sign of that. I kind of understand what this is doing, but like not a ton. Okay, new question. Is this algorithm going to be good enough? This doesn't need to be perfect. This just needs to be good enough. So we're going to try to see if we can get this to work. So going from here to here, this obviously won't work. This says that it will work, which is a problem because you shouldn't, which is fine. So let's do get Bezier line, which should be somewhere on my screen right now. Maybe it's not. Oh, it's down here. Get Bezier line. So in the case that these two are vertically aligned, so if from horizontally aligned, if the x is equal to the x, we will just return get line between from pause and to pause. Otherwise, we're gonna do some evil fucked up shit. So this should still return that, which is great. Now I want to use a Bezier curve because I should be able to see, like, this should work, and like, where's an example of something that should work but would otherwise fail? Like, that does work. But I think this one would behave a little differently. I lied. Maybe this is fine, but I'm gonna Bezier it anyways. So what I want to do is I just want to handle is going to be the final position plus alright, well, we'll just do this. Final position, and then I'll add the from this thing. I want to go from the current position, or I want to point to the current position, so it's 2 pause minus from pause dot x, and I want the sign of that. So I'll add that. So for now, what I want to do is I will just add the testing position, the end position, and the handle. Okay, yeah, no, that's like exactly the opposite of what I thought I was writing. From position to position. Position to position. Oh, I guess I don't 100% know what direction which one is for, so as I start vector 2i and end is vector 2i, we'll start these as from pause and to pause. And then if the ending position dot y is greater than the start positions dot y, then these will be flipped, I think. Yes, because I always want the one up top to be the ending position. So end is equal to from pause and start to pause. Okay, maybe I'm like stupid and have this the other way around. Oopsies. Oh, okay, I am just stupid in a different way. Starting from the end and pointing towards the start. What? Sure. Whatever the fuck you say, man. I don't care. Oh no, I am just stupid as hell. This should be start minus end. There we go. Yeah, I should be pointing from the end to the start. I don't remember my vector math. That's okay though.
Okay though.
So those are my points, and then I will. What would be the length of a Bezier curve going from these points? Let's just do 100 and see what happens. Which is 100% not going to be correct. But we'll see. Do we have a... We do have a built-in interpolate, but I think Oh, we do have a Bezier. Okay, sick. So it's... Oh, you're not what I want. Is it cubic? Is that what I'm technically using? No. What the hell is this? Start. Turns the point on a one-dimensional Bezier curve. Sure. Great.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where are you gonna take me? Thank you for taking me to YouTube. I guess it needs 4 points for Bezier usually. I'll just write my own. Whatever. I don't care enough. Or didn't I? Wait, maybe I did write my own. Util dot Bezier process Bezier. I almost did. Cool.
What is Twinity doing?
What am I doing? Evil shit. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I'm worried about it.
He's worried about it, guys. Look at this. Look at this ignoramus. Who's worried about it?
That's crazy.
So let's say, so A will be... What, no. Start dot alert. Which is apparently not a thing. So we go from start to handle over ratio. And then we will go from handle to end over ratio. I'm going to stop calling this test pause because otherwise I'm never going to change this variable name.
Pause.
All right, buddy. Knock it off with your furry shit.
Okay, I added crystals to all the rooms so I can test them out with that now. I might just, I'm gonna try them a little bit, see how it feels, but I decreased the mana recharge rate, and then I put a bunch of them in their rooms, and we're just going to go with it and see how people like it. And if they're like, this is evil and terrible, and I hate it, then we'll change it.
Sounds good to me.
But I think it does make it more interesting in terms of killing things.
Use that test room that I set up. Evil shit, don't worry about it, is exactly the thing you say to make someone worry about it. Okay, well, you might be right, but like, I don't know. I don't know what else to tell him. What am I supposed to say to this thing? I mean, that looks right to me, to be honest. Okay, well, that looks less right. Something's fucked up and evil there, which is cool. So maybe I'm like...
Oh wait, I just thought of a fun
stupid.
relic idea. Like, dropped souls have a 20% chance to get turned into money. It's like you don't get as many pickups, but you get a bunch of money.
Yeah. Okay, that looks right to me. So I can have it use that line instead. And if all of those spaces are open, it would see that as like, I can jump here, perhaps? I think that's right. Let's find out. Let's fucking find out. So anywhere I'm calling get points between or whatever. Get line between, is that what it's called? Yeah, you. How about instead of that? Let's do get your line. Make sure this works. Let's see, room 3. Let's see what happens here if I spawn a dickhead in. What are you gonna see as your valid points? Oh shit, dude, look at this. Look at him go. He knows that he'll get caught on the ceiling there if he just jumps straight up, so he runs over first before jumping up.
Fire.
Oh shit. Oh, he doesn't update his navigation while he's midair. So if he jumps up here and I fall through a platform, let me get him up here and attacking real quick. If I fall here, he won't stop holding down until he's already past the platform, which is funny.
That's kind of funny.
Yeah. Kind of fire though. That's fucking sick.
I feel like he could use
That's
some like
actually so
acceleration and stuff. He feels very stiff right now.
Probably. What do you mean by which part? Acceleration, do you mean?
Like just his movement in general. It's like all of it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think,
Yeah,
should the enemies be able to hit the crystals as well?
No, why would they?
I'm just
What would
thinking,
that-
like it does feel kind of weird that like if the enemy is shooting at you from behind it, and then it just goes right through it, but your attacks don't go through it.
Oh, you mean like that? I think if it does, it shouldn't like break the crystal. It should just like ping off of it or something.
Okay.
Oh shit, I'm actually really happy with that
Here,
though. That works surprisingly well.
Yeah, I can probably do that pretty easily.
Assignment is not allowed in expression. Fucking funny, dude.
I'm never gonna not do that, by the way.
That's gross. I hope you get better one day.
Nope.
Okay. Fair enough.
But I like.
Sorry, oopsies. I had to go on a little bit. Man, I can't believe we have to wait like 2 months for Slade. Oh, and that's so fucking sad. Hitfall is like a few weeks before release. I doubt they're gonna let us play Slade at Hitfall. Okay, I might actually be done with the stuff that I wanted to add.
Okay.
Now that I'm tuckered out.
Bro is tuckered out.
Yeah, I did the things that you asked about. No, I did. Yeah, actually, I did both of those. Enemies can now drop through platforms, and they also, at least somewhat correctly, see drop through platforms as a thing that they can interact with. Holy shit, he added every fucking enemy in the world.
So as you can see, they will block it, but
Okay,
it doesn't
new
actually...
issue. The player can use that as a shield and just like stand in it against like projectile enemies.
That's kind of funny.
Holy shit, welcome back, Dispenser Armor. It's easy graphics, don't worry about it.
Kind of fire though. I mean, you also can't hit them, or I guess if you had a melee weapon. I think it's fine because you can't hit them, at least not very effectively, because eventually your hits will destroy it.
Yeah.
Like, I think that's,
I don't know.
if people want to do
We'll have
that,
to
that's
play
kind of
around
fun.
with
Because like, I didn't
Yeah.
even think of that, and I think that'd be fun if people are like, oh wait, you can just like hide and
You can just hide.
yeah.
Be a creature of the night.
Yeah, just imagine a builder, you just throw out like a bunch of summons and then hide behind this thing.
Holy shit! Welcome back, Terraria.
Wait, why is this attack not hitting this?
Oh, the fucking flying guys ping off of it sometimes?
No, they don't.
Why did they ping off of it that one time?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out. I think it might be to need to also be looking. I don't know why it's not. Because it's also not getting hit by. Oh, I know why. It's because I didn't reload the game. I had just changed it in here. I think when it was yeah, something like that. And that only changed the one that was currently in the scene. At least I think that's how that works. I don't know how it works.
I don't know what the actual distance of a picture curve is, but like this seems right to me.
That's funny, they don't
Someone
actually
else
bounce
didn't
off of it. That's interesting.
Bouncing off it.
Should they bounce? I guess they don't bounce when they hit the player either. Or no, they do. No, I guess it's only one.
Yeah.
I don't think they do.
No, they
don't.
do hit the player.
They don't bounce off the player.
Oh yeah, they don't bounce off the player now, but they do hit the player if they go through the crystal.
Yeah,
which,
I think that's fine.
maybe.
That's fine. I don't think they should bounce off of it. I like it.
Let me look at this really quickly. This one's some weird shit. What if
something's
I
weird
made the... Oh, you know what I could do? I could make the handle the start.x and the end.y. Oh, yeah, that's not correct, actually. Oh, actually, I'm adding sample to the point. You shouldn't be doing that. Is there any chance that there's already length of a Bezier curve? We know about. Oh god. What in the fucking world are you? What is this? Okay, I didn't know that that was something that I'm gonna look at like actual human answers, but I'm very surprised that the Google AI can render math equations like that. Light mode jump scare for anyone who's regular. Yeah, that looks very... I don't know what the hell this is doing, but these heat map graph things look very pretty. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick to my solution of take the distance of the original line and multiply it by 1.5, and then I use that as the distance. That might be the move. Because I don't need the exact amount. I just need it to be good enough to estimate whether or not something can make a jump from point A to point B. And honestly, I think it gets the damn job done. It looks like, yeah, this could reach the point like there.
Biddy, do you know what the best way to make something z-index the same as its parent, even if it's top level? Like the z-index is being weird with the crystal shard things.
And
I don't know what
is
to
there
do about
a... let me take a look at the docs and see if there's anything about like an effective z-index. I actually have no idea.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, also, while I'm thinking of it, I'm buffing the soul dispenser because it sucks.
Yeah. There is... Oh, wait. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? This isn't a thing, right? Let's see. We're gonna find out. I think this is just making things up. Yeah, that's not a thing, buddy. I was looking this up and I saw there was a Godot forums post and I checked it, but then I was going back to check something else and I saw the AI overview said, yeah, you can just read the final, or wait, hold up, let me actually check this again. The global Z index? That's not a thing, buddy. That's just not a thing.
That's very cool.
Very cool AI. Thank you for lying. You can use this by using the built-in read-only global Z index property. Yeah, no, for sure, man. I believe you. Yeah, there is technically a way to do it. It's not though. You would have to work up the parent hierarchy to see what the effective Z index is of everything, which is not.
Figure out something. I could also just like maybe not make them top level and just do some weird shenanigans with that.
Yeah, I mean, if you could probably put it on like a. What could you do?
It'll be fine for now. I'll figure it out later. I definitely want to have some kind of build that's like a super mana build where like maybe have something that makes you deal more damage if you have like extra mana than like a relic that lets you like overheal mana, and then you just like max out a bunch of soul dispensers and things like that.
Yeah, we definitely need X cost cards for sure.
Oh, that's a good idea, yeah.
Because I really like those a lot.
So just use up like whatever you have, and then
yeah, all your mana, and then it does something based on that.
Yeah, that could be really insane with that. That's a good idea. Let me write that down before I forget.
Yeah, you can just write down like X cost cards.
Yeah, I'll put
or like
in here somewhere.
That's at least what they're called in Magic, the Gathering.
Yeah.
Look at the
Let me see.
Wait, what-
Let me look at my
what
changes.
are
I
you-
might go ahead and push some up. Cards in there.
Cards. Okay, I see.
Bunch of junk in there. Don't worry about those. That was me writing stupid things.
Nah, yeah, I was just gonna read through some of this stuff and see if there's anything that I could think to add. Fucking bungus. Alright, man. Equipped.
Yeah, this looks fine. I'll go and push up my changes. There you go. Good luck. I'm gonna go play Deadlock.
I'm thinking about that too.
That's fine. We were in stream for like over 3
Ooh.
hours. We got lots of stuff.
Oh
to do
shit,
tonight.
that actually is such an interesting idea. Hold on.
Mhm.
Oh, there's like an idea in my head. Hold on, let me think about this for a second. I'll just go ahead and so this says like blank type cards only. I think this is something we kind of forgot about, which is okay. What if like you know how in Gungeon there are certain like challenge rooms ish? Like there are there's like the sniper mini game, there's
Mhm.
the mini boss mini game or like mini room.
Yeah.
And then there's like the guy who's like, if you complete my challenge, complete this next room without taking any damage, I'll give you whatever.
Yeah.
We could have rooms like that where you accept the challenge and it gives you a deck to use for that room only.
That's a cool idea. Yeah.
Or you could be like, here's like a set of challenges. Pick one, and it's like you can only like it'll only give you guns, or it'll only give you melee weapons, or something like that, and then the enemies in the room change based on which challenge you chose.
Maybe I
Certain
know
things
Void
like
Igo
that.
has something like that where like the challenge rooms are like gives you a bunch of options of things you can do. That you go into the challenge
Oh
room.
yeah,
there's, like,
you're so
3 or
right. Yeah,
4
yeah, yeah.
doors that's like
Fuck, those are
this-
really cool as well. Yeah,
This or this. Yeah.
where it's like complete this room while you have like a red light, green light thing where you have to stand still during certain times.
Yeah. Yeah,
Stuff
I wouldn't
like
want to
that
do anything
would be really
too
nice.
crazy because we do need to like finish the game.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's something we're thinking about.
Let's see, what if there's a card that gives you 9 lives but you only have 1 heart? I wonder how that would work. Also, that probably wouldn't be a card. These cards are like an immediate use thing rather than like this affects the rest of your run. Oh yeah, there's also I want to say it's a thing in Isaac, but maybe it's also a thing in Gungeon. There's like some sort of I want to say it's a devil deal maybe in Isaac, but it's if you take damage, you are immediately teleported out of the room. Which
funny.
is yeah, it's very funny. And it just like it puts you in a different room, and then whenever you go back to that room, you have to start over. Which can be really fun.
It's like the flying hand thing from Gungeon.
Yeah, kinda. Except the flying hand is fucking annoying, but this one's more about like your
The
skill.
flying hand's so easy, you just dodge. What does it
Okay,
even
man.
do? Like,
Don't
let me look at the wiki. I don't.
What does he even do? Okay, dude, for sure, man.
Okay, I'm gonna kill you. What is it even called?
Oh yeah, dude, you're so fucking right. Dude, I love Isaac players. This motherfucker immediately just drops the fucking. Don't you dare add Cursed Eye to the game. Cursed Eye gives you tears which fire type versus shots, and you can charge it up. And taking damage while charging and not fully charged will teleport him into a different room.
That's really funny.
So it's like, this is good, but like, fuck, man. If you take damage, you get punished for it, which is very fun. But I think I might call it for today. That may be where I
me
leave
too.
this.
Let me see if I can find
Fix
the
the enemy
hand
stuff
thing
for
real
a-
quick. What is it called?
The hand thing.
Hand thing. Where are you?
There's like a 1% chance for the hand to turn into a gun in Gungeon? Really?
Grip Master. Hovers over the player and attempts to grab them. If the player successfully grabbed it, it'll shoot the player to a previously cleared room, which will reset and have all enemies respawn. Oh, I see. I think when the only time that I got grabbed by it, I think it was the first room, so I hadn't completed a room, so it just put me back in the starting room and didn't do anything. That's really funny.
Yeah.
So that explains why it was like didn't happen. I was like, huh.
Yeah. Okay, but I'm calling it there. So thank you guys for hanging out.
I'm
Thank you
calling
guys
it there.
for giving suggestions and questions about the game, and
We'll be back on Tuesday.
just hanging out and watching. We'll be back on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST. So right now plus 30 minutes. And I will catch you guys